In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Jira workflow and issue statuses in a team-managed project using Atlassian Jira. Whether you're a Jira beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to customize your project's workflow efficiently. Let's start by navigating to your project. You'll want to be sure you're logged into your Jira account and have the appropriate permissions to make changes. Once you're in your project, the next step is to locate the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu, next to your project's name. Clicking these dots will reveal several options. From here, you'll want to select Project Settings. This is your hub for customizing various aspects of your project. Once in Project Settings, proceed to the Issue Types section. Here you'll see a list of the various issue types that are part of your project. Select the issue you want to work with, as this will dictate which workflow you'll be editing. We'll now move on to the workflow itself. On the top right of the screen, you'll see an Edit Workflow option. Clicking this will bring up the Workflow Editor, where you can visually see the current steps or statuses of your workflow. Now you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the editor. This is crucial for making changes. Here, choose a status category that fits your needs. Perhaps you want to add a new phase in your project, like a review stage, or anything else your process requires. To do this, simply give your new status a name and click Add. Your workflow now includes this new status. Transitions between statuses are equally important in the workflow process. To add or modify these, click on the transition icon. This is where you can create a new pathway between two statuses. You'll need to define both the from status and to status to ensure a smooth transition. After setting the parameters, don't forget to name your transition for easy identification later on. Once you're satisfied, hit Create. Your changes are now saved, providing a customized flow through which issues in your project can progress. Lastly, there might come a time when you need to delete a status or a transition. To do that, click on the transition line to reveal a panel on the right. Here you'll find a delete option at the bottom. Choosing this removes the transition or status, so use this with consideration. This wraps up our tutorial on customizing Jira workflows and issue statuses in a team-managed project. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your Jira projects more effectively, making sure they reflect your team's specific processes.